Service has issued Tornado Watch number 541, effective until 1 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following: nearshore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. And the following counties: in Wisconsin, Greene, Kenosha, Racine, Rock, and Walworth. And the following counties: in Illinois, Boone, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.